Dekon is one of the most professional solutions provider for EV charger and energy storage products in China since 2015. Dekon offers a complete solution for electric vehicle charging station, which include AC EV charger, fast DC EV charger, ultra-fast EV charger, smart EV packing stack, management system for charging station, bank post system for charging station, and full range of selections of energy storage products for home and commercial applications, with the approval of CE, ISO, GBT etc., with over 300 professional workers, 30 after-sales technicians and 30 R&D engineers. Dekon is on the position to offer any customized design and turnkey project according to different products in different areas. Dekon will offer complete solution and guaranteed quality, competitive prices and comprehensive after-sales support. Dekon products have been exported to more than 30 different countries across Asia, Europe, Africa and Latin America. We pursued our vision for a greener world by accelerating the world's transition to electric transportation. We would be proud to support private end users and companies to shift away from fossil fuels by offering EV charging and energy storage solutions. Dekon people will provide you the best products and services, and become your most reliable business partner. Looking forward to cooperate with you.